Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Hello, this is the North America Math Contest Go Go Go, and this week's information is about implicit differentiation. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. So, what is implicit differentiation? Implicit differentiation is the differentiation that occurs when there are two or more variables. The common ways of solving this type of implicit differentiation problem is that you treat another one as constant and you solve one. Okay. Here, let's give an example. Find dy y if find the first derivative of this if it is equal to this. Okay. To solve this problem, we are going to first adding a dx add derivative on both sides. I don't know, it's only working differential equation. When you try to solve it in actual equation, this doesn't work like when you do it in actual equation. So according to the law of adding, you change it into this. Y squared is equals to d dx. Note, the next part will be very important. So this is just common way of solving it. This is 2x, right? But this requires you to think, because the fact is that most people will just when they haven't find the idea of implicit differentiation, they will just do it as 2y. However, it is wrong. This is dame. You can't do that. You have to use this 2y and adding a dy by dx of y prime. Okay? You have to add that. And what you do next is you solve this, and the derivative of this is going to be this. Is equals to 0. So, negative 2x is equals to 2y times y prime. So, I think you are able to solve this successfully. 2y. Sorry, this should be negative 2. So, y prime is negative x divided by y. Perfect. It is the first derivative. Problem 2. Okay, so for this type of problem, I'm going to give you another example about how to solve it, just in case you don't really understand about this. Let me think. I will give you some seconds to do that. Okay, time is up. Now we are going to do it. How we are going to solve this is that we are going to, again, using adding d over dx on both sides, and you will get this. 3x cubed plus d dx y squared is equals to 0, right? Here, you can just do as what you want, 9x squared. And here, remember that you need to add a y prime for this after you have solved the derivative of this. We know that the derivative of this is 2y, and you have to add a y prime after that. Same applies to that or other variables. 0. right? So we know that negative 9x squared is applied for 2y times y prime. And now you are able to solve y prime easily, which is negative 9x squared divided by 2y. Now it is somewhat clear. Okay, in the end, we are going to do another problem. One last problem, which is this problem is not commonly used on AP contest, AP test, but it is also oftenly used in, Okay. So this is about finding the second prime and more prime. Given you an example, let me think. Okay, find this. Find y prime if this is equals to 100. We have find the first derivative. We know that we have find the first derivative, and the first derivative is this, according to the film that occurs several minutes ago. Now what we are going to do next is we are going to find the second derivative based on this. So we use the quotient rule. G prime x times fx, gx squared. Perfect. So how we are going to do this is that we apply the rule again, but in the cases of this, you need to be cautious. So this doesn't have any problem because it's the derivative of x. So it is just x negative 1 times gx is y, and minus g prime x is y, right? It's negative 1. It's 1. But you need to add a g prime, y prime here, times x. Negative x divided by y squared, which is negative, what is y prime again? Y prime is x. Then we get the first formula is like this. So what we're going to do next is that we are going to plug in this. We are going to plug in the value of this. Is negative x divided by y. And what you get on the result is going to be the final answer, which is negative 1x times negative y minus x squared divided by y divided by this. So this is going to be the final answer for the second derivative of this implicit differentiation. So where we can see that things are getting hard from here. So just in conclusion, for this problem, what you need to remind is that if there are some variables, you need to put all variables except x, when they differentiated, you need to add a prime, the derivative. You need to add a derivative based on what you calculated during. Like if you are doing the first derivative, then you need to add the first derivative at any place with y. If you are doing the second derivative, you have to add the place with every place, time every place that you differentiated with y with the first derivative. And if there is a third derivative, then you need to time every place that requires y a second derivative, and so on and so forth. So this is how implicit differentiation works. I hope you have a great time. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!